Former RNC chair calls for Trump to be jailed for judicial attack. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Former federal prosecutor and legal analyst Glenn Kirshner recently expressed concern that former President Donald Trump's legal problems could have more serious consequences, leading to prison time. According to a report in Newsweek on Saturday, November 25, 2023, Trump is currently embroiled in various legal disputes at both the state and federal level as a front-runner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination. Questions have been raised about the potential impact his actions. One of former President Trump's biggest legal challenges is a $250 million civil lawsuit filed by New York Attorney General Letitia James. The case accuses Trump of committing fraud by inflating the value of his own assets in his financial reports. Additionally, Trump has been indicted in 4 separate cases, 2 by Justice Department Special Counsel Jack Smith, 1 by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, and 1 in Fulton County, Georgia, by District Attorney Fani Willis. Throughout the trial, Trump maintained his innocence and dismissed the allegations as politically motivated. But even more notable are former President Trump's repeated attacks on judges and court officials involved in these cases. These attacks frequently used his social media platform, Truth Social, as a platform to express his opinions, leading to the issuance of a gag order against him. Kirshner, known for his critical stance against Trump, pointed to the potential consequences of the former president's continued actions in a recent interview with MSNBC. He emphasized the responsibility of judges to deal with former President Trump's witness intimidation, and suggested that Trump's luck may have run out. Kirshner noted that judges in all jurisdictions may ultimately decide to impose stricter measures, such as gag orders, to curb inflammatory speech. Additionally, Mr. Kirshner raised the question of how judges should respond to these gag order violations. He considered whether to rescind former President Trump's release and consider sanctions, including the possibility of him being re-detained. This highlights the seriousness with which legal experts view former President Trump's actions and their potential impact on the court process. The Department of Justice (DOJ) also intervened in the controversy, filing a court petition on Thanksgiving to uphold the gag order against the former president. The Justice Department's claims refer to documents filed as part of a $250 million civil fraud trial in New York. These documents highlight the alarming nature of the threats and harassment against Judge Arthur Engoron and law clerk Allison Greenfield, who oversaw the civil proceedings. The fine was imposed because former President Trump failed to comply with the gag order, indicating a pattern of behavior that is causing concern among law enforcement officials. Separately, Judge Tanya Chutkan, who handled former President Trump's federal lawsuit over his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election results, reimposed a narrow gag order. Initially lifted to give Trump's lawyers time to fight the restrictions, Chutkan reinstated the order restricting Trump's comments about the special counsel team and potential witnesses. As tensions rise over Trump's legal battles, calls for harsher measures, including a prison sentence, are growing. Former Republican National Committee (RNC) Chairman Michael Steele recently made headlines for highlighting the dangers of allowing such attacks on judges and court officials to go unchecked and calling for Trump to be thrown in jail. Steele argued that putting Trump behind bars may be the only effective way to end verbal attacks on the justice system. Thanks for watching till the end. Share with us your thoughts in the comments section.